Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. You guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from Quntis LED screen lamp for laptop. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. No reflecting light. USB interface. Color adjustable. From warm to cool. Gotta be cool. This will all be over soon, guys. We'll be alright. This will be alright to get to. Since a lot of us are doing homeschooling and all that fun stuff. Streaming on Twitch. This will be good for your eyes. There we go. A little cut there. And take a look at this little guy. Don't be shy. Alright. Bada boom. Excuse me. See? iPad, ThinkPads, all those good ones. USB powered. There's the LEDs. Looking good, looking good. A little clamp right here. See? Mama. And got a dimmer switch right here. This is nice. USB right there. Untangle it with the twisty ties. Oh boy. Boom. Magic. Comes with a travel pouch, satchel bag, whatever you guys want to call this thing. So that's really cool. Boom. Put that over there. We're going to hop over to the computer right about. Oh, got the name on top here. Screen liner. Quntis. Nice. Bada boom. We'll be back. Alright, guys. It fits my tablet pretty good. So we're going to find a button. See, it is clamping on. Like so. You can block your camera. And then there's a switch down here. It's already powered. Boom. Turn it up. Let me turn these lights off so you can see better. Hold on one sec. There we go. Ooh, I gotta clean that screen. A little dusty. And turn it up. Turn it down. Change the colors. Cool, warm, off, on. Power goes up, power goes down. So there you go. Really cool, easy to use. Nice little touchpad there. Alright guys, be safe, have a good night.